Hi, I'm Peter Wishart from Facelift for Homes in our Cheltenham showroom, featuring a 2-panel sliding aluminium door. So you can see here's one single sliding panel here. The features of these doors themselves, this one's double glazed, and you'll find that the door itself seals right down the side here with a draft seal front and back. That makes sure there's no air coming through. You'll see these here are quite fine line. They're actually a slimline handle, so therefore they blend in with the window of the door. They come in a limited amount of colours and they've got their own key, obviously. All the keys in your windows and doors can be keyed alike to any window and door we actually fit. The feature of these particular doors, we can have a normal aluminium fly screen, but what people want these days is security. So this is an Invisi-Gard stainless steel security mesh. And as you can see, it's very, very easy to close like that. And from a distance, you can't hardly see this particular mesh. Up close you can, but from a distance you can't. So therefore you'll see your garden outside. So that's our sliding door in aluminium at our showroom in Cheltenham.